Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. Residents of McGilchrist Palm in Clarendon are appealing to the authorities to repair the drains in their community. They are fearing the worst as we approach the peak of the hurricane season. Dwayne Anderson has their story.
These residents all live in McGilchrist Palm in Clarendon. It is one of the parish's more flood-prone communities.
Even when the rain even drew, where I live, it flooded.
The residents got lucky a few days ago during the flood rains brought by Tropical Storm Laura. But the water which has settled in the drains serves as a frightening reminder of the imminent danger to their lives and properties.
The drain them don't fix. I flood out the time when you did come round here. And all them do them throw little dirt and we still flooding out. And no response for we. Them don't treat us good. They treat us like that we are horse and not even cow you treat so.
When them say them out clean the drain, them go weed out the trees that was in the drain and leave it. And when I ask them about it, them say them come do whatever with it, and them up to now it is there. When the rain fall, the water come from up the top there. When whatever run off from under McGilchrist Boulevard, you have a bed of water laid down up there right now. When whatever run, it come down to Coconut Park, Palm, where it lay down underneath the road there. It can't run out.
But it isn't only lives that are in limbo, the people's livelihood too. Plots of land like this one could have been used for farming, but residents say the risk of water damage is too high.
There's a part over there where we flood when rainfall, even on the 16th of August here. Our water cycle right there now. We cannot do no farming there, nothing can be done.
You may also notice that most of these residents are senior citizens. They say they do not have the time or strength to rebuild if their properties are damaged again due to flooding, so they just want the problems resolved.
And I'm worried about it more all. My mother is an older lady, my father also old, and we have to put our foot out now. We have to stand.
The majority of the residents are from Manchester. They were relocated to McGilchrist Palm under a bauxite mining relocation program. They complained that before moving to the area, they did not have problems with flooding, and as such, they do not deserve this current reality. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.